my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian. Helping you to increase your English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman. Let's get started looking at subordinating conjunctions. Because they are used to connect words and phrases and clauses. And this is where we say why, where, or when something happened. So we use them to connect sentences together to talk about why, where, and when. When. Like, take this phrase, for example. So that. I am teaching English so that I can grow a community. So that, for example, is used to explain the purpose of an action and is followed by the clause of the explanation. Action, purpose. Action, purpose. I have been teaching English so that I can work from home. He came to the party so that he could enjoy himself. Yeah, it's why. He came to the party. Action, so that, purpose. I recorded this video so that more people can learn English. I teach English so that I can create an online business. They sang the song so that they could complete the album. So that I teach English so that I can use my talents and abilities in the most efficient way. So that. To explain why something happened. So that. Now, in order to, subtle, a little different. Let's change that. So look, in order to is similar, but is followed by a verb in the base form. Because we have so that, action and purpose, but this has a verb. Even if the verb is in the past tense. Action, purpose, plus verb. He came to the party in order to have fun. She learned English in order to get the job. I teach English in order to build my online presence. Build. She went back to the library so that she could get another book. More books. He took the receipt to his records. He took the receipt to add to his records so that he has more information. This is information. This information version of in order to. He took the receipt to add to his records. To add. He took the receipt in order to add to his records. In order to. I travel in order to learn more about the world. Learn more. Very important. Because is used to talk about why something happened. Why? Because. Why? He bought a book because he needs to learn more. I have loads of ideas for videos for YouTube because I'm an idea machine. He got a camera because he wants to record videos. My camera broke because water. He got a camera, record videos, yeah. It fell on the floor because of gravity. Gravity. It is quiet because no one is here. There's no one here. No one's here. Shh. My city is growing because people are coming to live here. I went to Gibraltar because it's a very unique place, and it's quite close, but very unique. Yeah. Although it is although is used to talk about something unexpected, and even though. Unexpected. And even though means the same but is more common. Even though I'm teaching, I'm not tired. Although I have loads of videos to record, I pace myself, I go slow. Even though I've got loads of videos to record, I'm okay. I've got more things to do. Although I have been teaching for 5 hours, I have more time to work on my own projects. When I would make a lot of money teaching 10 hours, although I had no time to work on my own things. Yeah, big problem. I'm going to teach tomorrow, even though I have 1 hour of Chinese lessons. Yeah, even though. When you come here, we need to see a sunrise, even though we will be tired. We will see the sunrise over the horizon, even though we'll be quite tired. Oh, tired. And when? Even though. Although. Something's happening, although. To add to it. Even though. Regardless of. Yeah. And we have when. Talks about an action or events in the future that must happen before something else can. When. When this, then that. When I go to France, I will go to Paris. Yeah, I'll go to Paris when I go to France. Subordinating time clauses that underpin the rest of the sentence and help define the context. So when is very useful. First event, second event. This, then that. When it snows, it'll be cold. When I run out of ideas, then I will worry. When I run out of YouTube video ideas, then I will worry. When I teach all day, I need to get up early. I get up early when I'm teaching. When I teach, it is like a marathon, non-stop. When I teach, I don't have any breaks, very few breaks. It can be tiring. It's a marathon. Yeah, it's a marathon. When I upload videos to YouTube, I like to connect with the audience. My channel will grow when I upload better content, better videos. Yeah. As soon as is like when, but implies that the second action will happen straight after the first one. This happens, then straight away this happens. As soon as I finish teaching, I'll go to the gym. Oh, look at that. Perfect, yeah. I'll go to the gym as soon as I finish teaching. I will collect the parcel as soon as the day ends. I have a phone call to make as soon as I finish this video. Yeah, it's important. You will have your Chinese lesson as soon as you wake up. Oh, I have my Chinese lesson like at 7:30. I wake up. As soon as I wake up, I have a Chinese lesson. Whew, it's insane. But there's a common mistake with the future tense and when and as soon as. When he gets home, he will be tired. Correct. When he will get home, he will be tired. This bit here, will get is gets home. When he gets home, when it happens, he will be tired. When he will get home. Now, that's more of a question. When will he get home? When will he get home? Will he? Will he be tired? Will he be tired? But to use that as a statement is wrong. When he will get home, he will be tired. No. When he gets home. When I go to London, I will be tired. When I get to London, get to London? In the future tense, no. When he gets home, he will be tired. When I get to London. When I go to London. Depending on the pronoun. Lastly, though, while. While is used to connect the clauses that are happening at the same time. Two things happening at the same time. You are learning English while your friend is relaxing. I was teaching English while she was taking care of the children. You were cooking while I was sorting out the finances. While I'm recording this video, you're doing something else. While you're watching the video, I'm doing something else. Interesting. While I was in Spain, you were somewhere else. While the conference in Mexico is happening, there are so many activities and workshops happening while we are at the conference. When we are there are so many things happening. When we are there, you can see them for yourself. Wow, it's going to be fun. Yeah. So those are some pretty nice subordinating conjunctions. Conjunctions that determine the rest of the sentence and need the sentence in order to be valid. Like while, things happening. As soon as. When this thing happened, that will happen. When. And although, something unexpected. Although. And because. This happens because. This happens that. Because this. Yeah. In order to. I'm going to teach English in order to learn. I'm going to travel in order to grow. There's that verb, the base verb doesn't change. Then you have so that. I'm going to teach English so that I can grow a YouTube channel. Yeah, very interesting. Very good. Okay. However, if you want to keep learning English, expand your vocabulary, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.